Hey there, sixth graders. We are going to begin a project called the Zentangle Contrast Painting, and I'm going to be showing you how this project is created. So you can see some scrolling pictures here. I'm going to pause it right on this one. The project objective here is for you to create some sort of Zentangle object, and in this case we're going to be using an animal. And then you're going to add a design in the background using monochromatic colors. Okay, and this one is not finished, but you can see that there is a design in the background. Okay, and this particular case, there were two students working on the same design. We will be working on one animal each. I think that will be the best choice for this project. Here's an example of a background. This is an organic background. Here we have a geometric design, perfect circles. Here we have an organic design where we've got some stripes here. And we've got more circles. Alright, so our first step is to brainstorm some patterns for your animal. You don't necessarily know which animal you're going to create, but this is going to give you a good idea of what sort of patterns you're going to create. So you're going to get a chart, you're going to visit the Zentangle website, you're going to search the alphabet, and when you find one you like, you're going to draw it over here and maybe shade it the way that it was on the website. You must fill out 16 boxes neatly. Okay? So that is 4 down and 4 across. There will be some left over. If you'd like to create more, you may. So there are some examples of Zentangles here, and you can definitely click on them if you would like to. However, I'm going to go to the Zentangle website right now. So we have this scrolling bar up here. These are not pictures you can click on. You can see it just changed. I like to use this so that I can see which ones I like. Let's say I like this Charlie one. Well, here's the alphabet. So I'm going to click on C and I'm going to look for Charlie. And I kind of like this one. And I like that one. So I may want to write down the name of some of these. Ooh, I like this Cadent one. That's a really cool one. So I can be scrolling through all of these. And I'm going to go back to that Cadent one because I really like that one. So I'm going to click on How to Draw. And now I'm going to scroll down and see if it shows me how to make it. And this one does not. Sometimes there will be a set of pictures that just show you how, and since it doesn't, I need to look for where it says Illustrated Instructions here. So I'm going to click on here. And now we get the boxes that show how to make it. Okay, and this one shows different variations, which is kind of neat too. So that's what you want to be looking for, and you're going to start with this, then move to that. Okay, and then I'm going to go back to this, and then you would fill out all of this. Okay, and that's pretty much it for the Zentangle chart.